And on that note, Your Excellency, permit me to most humbly and respectfully present to you a comprehensive report of the just concluded local government elections in Rivers State. Your Excellency, on behalf of the board and management of RSIEC, I am honored to officially and formally present to you today a comprehensive report on the just concluded local government elections in Rivers State. This report captures all the electoral processes and procedures, including the timelines, as encapsulated in the electoral calendar, electoral timetable, if you will. Beginning from the announcement of the notice of election to engagement with stakeholders, to polling itself, the collation of results, and the announcement, declaration of winners of that election. The report highlights our modest achievements, our challenges, and some recommendations that will strengthen future elections in the state. Your Excellency, in carrying out these electoral activities, we complied fully with the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission Law of 2018 as amended, and the modified guidelines and procedures for 2025, the guidelines and regulations, that is. In doing so, we ensured level of transparency. We were inclusive, and we're also mindful of the security. And we did so in close collaboration with political parties, the civil society organizations, and the security agencies in that order. Your Excellency, we are deeply appreciative of the incredible support we received from your administration, which made it possible for the Commission to carry out our mandate effectively. You did not only fund the activities of the Commission adequately, but you did so sufficiently. And let me also note, and it's worthy to say that in the history of election management, be the election management body nationally or the sub-national level, there has never been that institution that organized, coordinated, conducted, and supervised an electoral process within a period of 30 days. And without, with all modesty and, and I have no regret to say this, even if it is self-adulation, we agree it is. And I want to reference the story of the Agama lizard that fell from the Iroko tree. When it landed on the ground, it turned left, it turned right. Nobody appreciated it. It nodded in self-appreciation. In this regard, Your Excellency, I want to congratulate all of us as a collective that we did that we did very well. Posterity will also take note of that. I want to also commend the good people of Rivers State for their cooperation and peaceful participation during this period. I thank you, Excellency Ahmed. God bless Rivers State.
Once again, my pleasure to welcome you here in the Government House at this occasion of a presentation of the report of the recently conducted elections and the activities that preceded that exercise. I'm aware the effort and resources put in to ensure a successful, fair, credible, and transparent elections were held to elect officials for our local government council areas. You also recall that Mr. President's mandate to me on the 18th of March 2025 was to stabilize and create an enabling environment in the state to ensure the re-establishment of state institutions and to return the state back to democratic governance. Of course, which meant that we had to have a local government administration in place. And so, with the successful conduct and subsequent swearing in of the local government chairmen and their councils, I want to believe that we have achieved the mandate that we were given. And so that also prepares the way for us to return the state to those who were elected to govern. Let me, on behalf of the people and government of Rivers State, commend RSIEC, chairman and the members of the committee, and all of the management of RSIEC for a job well done. I think this commendation also flows not just from within Rivers State alone. We've also had commendations from lovers of Rivers State from within the country. Yes, elections have been conducted in the past. Yes, elections have had their ups and downs, but for once, an election was conducted where nobody was harassed, where people went out freely to express themselves and to select whom they wanted as their leaders. I'm sure when we go through the reports and review the content, we'll be able to issue official statement on the conduct and the whole process. I want to assure you that the people of Rivers State are appreciative of what you have done for them, and we are hopeful that we will build on the experience that we have gotten from the conduct of the last election. And so I want to also use the opportunity to thank my team that had been that supportive in all of the efforts, the members of the security services, the SSG, as well as the acting head of service, for all of the inputs they put into making this exercise a success. But that is what it takes to build nations, these collaborative efforts, this synergy. And I want to believe that will continue as we make progress. Congratulations once again, and God bless you. God bless Rivers State.
We invite the chairman and his team to join his excellency.